Teen drivers with ADHD are up to 4 times more likely than their peers to be in an accident. But that doesn't mean your teen has to stay in the passenger seat. I'm Dr. Altman. Like all teens, kids with ADHD can't wait to drive. It's a big milestone toward becoming an adult. But teens and driving is a risky combination under the best circumstances. The distractibility and impulsivity of ADHD makes the risks even greater. Teen drivers with ADHD are up to 4 times more likely than their peers to be in an accident. But that doesn't mean your teen has to stay in the passenger seat. Here are some tips to help him become a safe, smart driver. Start by enrolling him in a driver education program designed especially for new drivers with ADHD. This might include training with driving simulators before getting behind the wheel of a real car. Also, monitor your child's medication. Some studies suggest that drugs commonly prescribed for ADHD may improve teens' driving performance. And of course, minimize all distractions when driving. Turn off the cell phone, turn down the music, and no eating or drinking while driving. In fact, that's a good rule of thumb for all the drivers in the family. I'm Dr. Altman. For more ways to safeguard your family's safety, watch all our smart tips.